To get KENSHI, guys. We've done 5 already, sorry. Let's do another 5. These raspberry wine gums are beautiful. Beautiful. Come on. KENSHI. Come on, dark wood cocoa, come. KENSHI. Damn it. I've reached my 60 limit already. I'm better off buying it. I'll do 5 more, even though I won't earn any crystals on it. If I don't get it in this, I'll take my chances with buying it. That's off coral. I've spent so many drying crystals to get jacks on snow, but I didn't even one copy of them from here. But I got it from the crypt instead. What a shame. What a shame. Come on, other ones. It's Wednesday. It takes forever. Took the phone out and skipped it all, guys. don't think so. Let's have a look. If I don't get it, I don't get it. What a joke this was. What a joke. $8.99 gone down the drain, guys. As you can see yourselves. Alright guys, I'll call it quits now, yeah? It's a joke this is. What the hell's a brutality box? Should just go there. Outward investigation bundle cards with a chance for all new jacks, unslowed diamonds. Nah, for that much, I don't 20% chance. I don't think so. They don't mention anything about unslowed jacks. What is? Yeah, there is diamond unslowed jacks. Where did diamond unslowed jacks come from? Hold up, guys. Diamond balance KENSHI, diamond possessed KENSHI, diamond elder god KENSHI. What's happening? What's happening here? Diamond circular shadow jacks, diamond classic jacks, diamond onslaught jacks. I'll have to go into my collection, making me doubt stuff now. Balance KENSHI and possess KENSHI changed into diamond now or something. Jacks is still not diamond. Balance KENSHI is not diamond. Possessed. So I made a big schoolboy error there, guys. Alright guys, that's all.